Welcome to the world of mobile gaming revolution. Today we're diving deep into the Skyline Emulator for Android, your gateway to playing Nintendo Switch games right on your smartphone. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just looking for new experiences on your mobile device, Skyline Emulator is a game changer. So buckle up as we explore its features, how to set it up, and what it means for the future of mobile gaming. Skyline is a state-of-the-art emulator designed to run Nintendo Switch games on Android devices. It's an open-source project that has garnered attention for its ability to bring high-quality gaming experiences to the palm of your hand. With Skyline, you can enjoy your favorite Switch games anywhere, anytime, without the need for the actual console. Skyline Emulator operates by mimicking the Nintendo Switch's hardware, allowing Android devices to run games designed for the console. It translates the game code into something your phone can understand and execute, providing an immersive gaming experience on the go. We'll guide you through the installation process, system requirements, and how to optimize your settings for the best performance. Imagine playing hits like The Legend of Zelda: Breath of the Wild or Super Mario Odyssey on your phone. We'll showcase gameplay footage on Skyline, discuss compatibility with different games, and share tips to enhance your gaming experience. Whether it's adjusting graphics settings or optimizing controller configurations, we've got you covered. Skyline Emulator is not just about playing games, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile gaming. With advancements in emulator technology and mobile hardware, the line between console and mobile gaming is blurring. We'll explore what this means for gamers, developers, and the gaming industry as a whole. Skyline Emulator for Android is a breakthrough in mobile gaming, offering unprecedented access to Nintendo Switch games on your smartphone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a casual gamer, Skyline opens up a whole new world of gaming possibilities. Join us in celebrating this remarkable achievement and the bright future of mobile gaming. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about Skyline Emulator and mobile gaming's future, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy gaming!